Okay, today we're going to do a demo for you on this Okamoto surface grinder. This is a model PSG 126. It's a hydraulic machine. This is wired for 220 volts, 3-phase. I'll point out a couple of things. You've got over-the-wheel dresser. We've got some removable splash guards. I'm just going to move over here out of the way. We've got a coolant system in the back of the machine that consists of a big tank with a magnetic separator. All your electrics are located over here. Back of the machine over here is the hydraulic unit. Over here is the indicator that you're getting lubricating oil to the table. And up at the top of the column is another indicator saying that we're getting oil to the column. So I'm going to go ahead and start up the grinding wheel. That's nice and quiet there. So we have the over-the-wheel dresser, and that works. We come out, and we can turn the top, and then you can come back in again, and the speed of that is adjusted here with this adjustment knob. So that's the dresser. Table, we can start going here, and with this lever you adjust the speed. We can start the cross slide. So now we're stepping across, and as long as I've turned on our down feed, automatic down feed, this will down feed each time the column reverses, and you'll see that here. At 2 thousandths before zero, it will go into a fine feed mode and then a spark out mode. After it's done the appropriate amount of spark out passes, whatever you've set over here, it'll come to a stop and park itself. You can also do plunge grinding with this if you select the plunge grinding mode, and it uses this trip dog up here to trip this switch on the top of the deck there, which each time the table reverses gives it a signal to feed. So when we get to zero here, which is right about there, we'll do a certain amount of passes where it won't feed any longer, and then it'll come and park itself like that. When you're ready to start grinding again, you raise up your wheel. This also has wrap it up and wrap it down. Plus you can, work this machine completely by hand on all three axes of the table. Over here is your adjustment. The more you spread out these pointers from the center, the further the column will travel over the magnet. Your magnetic chuck control over here with your on cycle and your demag cycle. That'll click down like that until it releases the workpiece. Want to run it again? We've got a special table start button. As long as you haven't touched anything, you hit that button and she'll start going again. So that's your Okamoto PSG 126, which is 24 by 48 inch. That's the size of the grinder. Okay, thank you very much.